everything due to circumstances beyond my control. But you said you want to be perfect to get to heaven, right?
Yeah, God cannot even begin to tolerate evil, not even the tiniest speck.
So that means Mr. Goody Two Shoes over there can't get in because he ain't perfect, right?
Well, that's true.
But doesn't everybody say that God is love?
Yes, that's what the Bible says.
So you got a crop, Felicia. The Bible says God is love, and yet this loving God isn't going to let anybody into his heaven. You just proved it.
Yeah, so we might as well just party on.
Party on too.
You guys are right about one thing.